Time has now come for all of you, for you to make your own choice. Don't hesitate anymore, don't hold back anymore. Your future is already yours, it is in your hands. Oh, don't be afraid anymore, don't be misled anymore. You are strong people, your future is already there. It lies in your hands. Young and old, men and women, fathers and mothers, children and youth, everyone together, U Prah. Let us not be divided, people. Let us not be weak. Let us not be broken apart. But let us be strong, no matter how the years pass. In unity, we will always stand. Oh, 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 oh. Let us not fall into darkness again. Let us not allow ourselves to be led wrongly. Do not be deceived even once more. If you truly want to achieve your dreams, young and old, men and women, fathers and mothers, children and youth, everyone together, U Prah. Stand firm and be strong. Never be afraid to stand up, because the future belongs to all of us. It lives in me and in you.